This is the easiest, quickest way to make a meal for your bird, and they absolutely love it. I'm going to show you. First, add a little bit of baby spinach in the bottom of the bowl, followed up by these beautiful little things, mealworms. You can get them from pet shops pretty much anywhere. Most reptiles or birds will feed on them. They add a lot of nutrition. Just such a good, tasty meal. I got a few of them here, so I'm going to add quite a few. And guess what? Me turtle absolutely loves them too. He's just not the best shot at getting them. Well done. All right, back to the bird food now. Adding raspberries adds heaps of flavour, and if your birds haven't experienced raspberries or blueberries before, then they are in for an absolute treat. Just expect some messy faces there. Put those in with the 3, and they are the main ingredients that we need. So then I'll just top it up with a bit more spinach and some more raspberries, just so they have to go searching for it. Let's go see how they think. As you can see, she's pretty keen on this one. What she'll tend to do is throw out the green stuff first, much like a human would, so she can get to the raspberries and find those mealworms. Her most exciting part is actually finding those mealworms, because the birds absolutely love them. They're nutritious and really, really good to get in there. If you'd like to see some more videos of different foods that I can give to the birds to inspire breeding and all sorts of things, hit that like and subscribe.